Hey guys, come and join me in doing this cute hairstyle. Nấu cho lâu hâu luôn. I think I'm going to use these two babies to change the side hairstyle. Gonna switch it up a little bit, so we're gonna go for a Mohawk kind of look. So I'm gonna put it here and then or maybe one side is alright. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, you guys will let me know what you think. This is the one side. Just pretend you're not seeing all this mess. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side. So this is the one look. I think it's cute. I think it can win. Ooh. Okay, then I'm gonna do this side, so it's gonna be a full mohawk. Yes. Now this need to. Okay, let's go again. Oh, and the noise outside, because normally when I record I close the windows just to make sure that the sound is not too much. So I think this video, yeah, it's gonna be loud. Right. No, it's too low. It's not easy, eh? It's not easy. Like, don't be fooled, guys. What happened behind the camera? And you guys will be thinking like, oh, you are alone on this. You are not. It is not easy. Okay, now I think we have a mohawk. Okay, let's zhuzh it up here a little bit. Okay, we need to lay them edges, eh? They are not behaving. So we're gonna lay them edges. I love this. I love this gel. It's amazing. It is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. We are laying. Guys, I have mirrors like in all corners of this house. I have a mirror here. I have one, that I'm looking at myself here. I have one there. Like, it's just the house full of mirrors. I've always been obsessed with mirrors. Like, I just want to see mirrors everywhere. Wherever I go, I want to see mirrors. Let me know if you are like me, if you just love mirrors everywhere in the house. I mean, yeah, but when I go in this room, I just love seeing myself. And I'll be like, Hey there. How you doing? It feels good, eh? It feels good. You know? You're like, hey, Miguel, how you doing? I think it is a good video. I think it is you guys learned something from it. You know how to do a mohawk. You need these pins, guys, eh? I love them. Oh, they are amazing. See, look at that. Like, hey, hello, hello, Afro Queen, Afro Queen. Oh. Oh. Ha! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this informative. I love you guys so much. Bye.